ഈഗിൾ സ്വിങ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഡയറി ടെക്നോളജി ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ 5th പാർട്ടാണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നവർ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ദയവായി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോസ് ഇടുമ്പോൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് ലഭിക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും സജഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഏതെങ്കിലും രീതിയിൽ ഇമ്പ്രൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ അത് നിങ്ങൾ ദയവായി കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. The primary objective in adding a preservative to hard cheese or processed cheese is to prevent option A surface growth of mold, B surface growth of bacteria, C surface growth of yeast, D all of the above. Answer option A surface growth of mold. Second question, added sugar acts as a preservative and reduces the water activity in option A toned milk, B skim milk, C sweetened condensed milk, D evaporated milk. Answer option C sweetened condensed milk. Next question, sodium chloride is usually used in the cheese making for option A increased digestibility, B flavor enhancement, C controlling the growth of microorganism, D both A and B. Answer option D both A and B. Fourth question, mold spoilage of cheese is usually delayed or prevented when dash added or incorporated in the wrapper. Option A sorbic acid, B sorbates, C propionic acid and propionates, D all the above. Answer is all the above. Fifth question, milk is an excellent culture medium for much kind of microorganisms because of option A high in moisture content, B neutral in pH, C rich in microbial food, D all of the above. Answer option D all of the above. Sixth question, in raw milk at a temperature from 10 to 37 degrees Celsius, which microorganisms are most likely to cause the souring? Option A Streptococcus lactis, B Streptococcus faecalis, C Lactobacillus bulgaricus, D Lactobacillus thermophilus. Answer Streptococcus lactis option A. Seventh question, butyric acid may be produced in the milk by the action of option A coliform bacteria, B Streptococcus species, C Clostridium species, D Bacillus species. Answer option C Clostridium species. Eighth question, the chief gas formers in milk and milk products are option A coliform bacteria, B Clostridium species, C gas forming Bacillus species, D all of the above. Answer option D all of the above. Ninth question, the hydrolysis of milk protein by microorganisms usually accompanied by production of bitter flavor caused by some of the peptides release is called option A proteolysis, B hydrogenation, C stabilization, D sterilization. Answer is proteolysis option A. 10th question, the ropiness usually decreases as the acidity of milk or cream. Option A decreases, B increases, C constant, D increase then decrease. Answer increases option B. 11th question, ropiness and sliminess in milk, cream and whey is caused by option A Enterobacter, B lactic acid bacteria and bacillus, C micrococcus and streptococcus, D all of the above. Answer option D all of the above. 12th question, change in milk fat occurs by microbial decomposition are option A oxidation of unsaturated fatty acids, hydrolysis of butter fat, C. combined oxidation and hydrolysis to produce rancidity, D. all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. 13th question, hydrolysis of the butter fat to fatty acid and glycerol may occur by the enzyme is option A lipase, B lactase, C amylase, D catalase. Answer lipase, option A. Which one of the following produces a bluish grey to brownish color in milk in pure culture? Option A Pseudomonas cincinae, B Pseudomonas cinxantha, C Serratia species, Micrococcus roseus. Answer ഓപ്ഷൻ എ സ്യൂഡോമോണാസ് സിൻസൈനെ. ഈ സൈനെ എന്നുള്ള വേർഡ് മെഡിക്കൽ ടൈമിൽ അത് ബ്ലൂ കളറുമായിട്ടാണ് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതാണ് കീ വേർഡ്. സൈനെ എന്ന് വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ബ്ലൂ കളറായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സാന്ത എന്നുള്ളത് യെല്ലോ ടു ഓറഞ്ച് ആ ഒരു റേഞ്ചിലുള്ള കളറായിരിക്കും. സെറേഷ്യ സ്പീഷീസ് മിക്കവാറും റെഡ് ആയിരിക്കും. അതെപ്പോഴും ഓർമ്മ വേണം. 15th question, Pseudomonas cinxantha may cause a dash color in the cream layer of milk. Option A blue, B yellow, C red, D green. Answer option B yellow color. 16th question, in red milk a red layer at the top of the milk is caused by option A Brevibacterium erythrons, B Flavobacterium, C Geotrichum. Answer option A Brevibacterium erythrons. 17th question, at refrigeration temperature proteolysis may be initiated by psychrotropic bacteria such as Pseudomonas, Leuconostoc, Shigella, Salmonella. Answer Pseudomonas, option A. 18th question, spoilage of evaporated milk from leakage as indicated by the presence of non-spore formers may result in gas and swelling caused by option A coliform bacteria or yeast, B coagulation by streptococci, C bitterness caused by cocci, D all of the above. Answer option D all of the above. 19th question, cheesiness flavor defect in cream is caused by option A lactobacilli, B enterobacter, C yeast, D coliform bacteria. Answer option A lactobacilli. 20th question, musty flavor defect in cream is caused by option A bacteria, B mold and actinomycetes, C Pseudomonas, D none of the above. Answer option B mold and actinomycetes. Next question, dash is a milk process that makes milk more easily digested by those with a sensitive digestive system. Option A ionization, B evaporation, C pasteurization, D homogenization. Answer option D homogenization. Next question, the milk becomes the property of the buyer once option A the transport truck reaches the plant, it is loaded into the transport truck on the farm, C transport truck leaves the farm, D it is unloaded into the processor's bulk tank. Answer option B it is loaded into the transport truck on the farm. Next question, discoloration of milk powder during storage is due to option A caramelization, B Maillard browning, C autooxidation, C moisture, D moisture content. Answer Maillard browning, option B. Iodine number of cow ghee is option A 28, B 67.6, C 33.7, D 47. Answer option C 33.7. 25th question. Ideal number of buffalo ghee is option A 33.7, B 29.4, C 37.5, D 44. Answer option B 29.4. Next question. The enzyme catalase of milk is destroyed at the temperature of option A 8 to 85 degree Celsius, B 76 to 79.5 degrees Celsius, C 57 degrees Celsius, D 65 to 67 degrees Celsius. Answer option D 65 to 67 degrees Celsius. 27th question. The milk has natural acidity with the range. Option A 0.13 to 0.21%, B 0.05 to 0.01%, C 1.5 to 1.7%, D none of the above. Answer option A 0.13 to 0.21%. Next question. Normal fresh milk has a hydrogen ion concentration of option A 6.5 to 6.7, B 5.6 to 5.9, C 7.8 to 8.9, D 4.3 to 4.9. Answer option A 6.5 to 6.7. 29th question. Oxidation reduction potential or redox potential of milk is option A plus 0.22 plus 0.3 volt, B 2 to 3 volt, C plus 0.022 0.03, D none of the above. Answer option A plus 0.22 plus 0.3 volt. 13th question. Soft fat in milk fat. Option A lauric and stearic acid, B capric and lauric acid, C oleic and butyric acid, D oleic and lauric acid. Answer option C oleic and butyric acid. 31st question. Percentage of mineral matter in milk is option A 0.7%, B 1.5%, C 2.7%, D 0.6%. Answer option A 0.7%. Next question. Soft cheese is option A cheddar, B Swiss, C brick, D cottage. Answer option D cottage cheese. Next question. Destruction of which enzyme is used as an index of super HTST pasteurization? Option A catalase, B lipase, C lactoperoxidase, D all of the above. Answer option C lactoperoxidase. Next question. Rennet belongs to option A lipases, B catalases, C proteinases, D phosphatases. Answer proteinases option C. Next question. Which one is used as an emulsifying agent in processed cheese blend? Option A paprika, B pectin, C glycerides, D whey powder. Answer option C glycerides. Next. Milk is an emulsion of option A oil in water, B water in oil, C oil in oil, D oil in starch. Answer oil in water option A. 37th question. People with high blood pressure or edema are advised to take option A multivitamin mineral milk, B low sodium milk, C sterile milk, D skim milk. Answer option B low sodium milk. Next question. Semi-solid ice cream is placed in hardening room at a temperature of about option A minus 15 degrees Celsius, B minus 20 degrees Celsius, C minus 34 degrees Celsius, D minus 44 degrees Celsius. Answer option C minus 34 degrees Celsius. 39th question. The ice in Swiss cheese are formed by the growth of option A. Leuconostoc, B. Propionibacteria, C. Streptococcus, D. Lactobacillus. Answer option B. Propionibacteria. 14th question. The melting point of milk fat varies between option A 32 to 36 degrees Celsius, B 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, C 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, D 26 to 30 degrees Celsius. Answer 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. Option A. Next, saponification number of butter fat is option A 190, B 195, C 210, D 231. Answer option D 231. 42nd, lactose reductase copper salt to copper cupric oxide, cuprous oxide, copper oxide, D none of the above. Answer option B cuprous oxide. Next question, which is the predominating organism in dairy utensils of milk? Option A Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Question, which is the predominating organism in dirty utensils of milk? Option A Lactobacillus bulgaricus, B Propionibacterium, C Streptococcus lactis, D all of the above. Answer option C Streptococcus lactis. 44th question, at what concentration chlorine sanitizing solutions are usually used in the dairy industry? Option A 50 to 100 ppm, B 100 to 200 ppm, C 200 to 500 ppm, D 500 to 800 ppm. Answer 200 to 500 ppm. Next question, in what form formaldehyde preservatives used in the milk? Option A gas, B solid, C liquid, D all of the above. Answer option A gas. Next question, which enzyme is tested for cream pasteurization? Option A plasmin, B phosphatase, C catalase, D peroxidase. Answer option D peroxidase. Next question, cows with dash have a higher incidence of mastitis because physical injury is more likely. Option A pendulous udders, B horns, C lower foot angles, D none of the above. Answer option A pendulous udders. മാസ്റ്റൈറ്റിസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇൻഫ്ലമേഷൻ ഓഫ് ദ അഡേഴ്സ്. ആ അഡേഴ്സിൻ്റെ മലയാളം അകിട എന്നൊക്കെ പറയില്ലേ, അതാണ് പശുവിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ, അതാണ് അഡേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇനി മാസ്റ്റൈറ്റിസ്, എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഐറ്റിസ് എന്നുള്ള വേർഡ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം ഇൻഫ്ലമേഷൻ എന്നാണ്. സോ ഇവിടെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ പെൻഡുലസ് അഡേഴ്സ് ആണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ പർപ്പസ് ഓഫ് മിൽക്ക് ചെക്ക് ഓഫ്? Option A to increase the milk price support, B determine if milk contains antibiotics, C to prevent spoilage, D none of the above. Answer option A to increase the milk price support. Next question, milk is a good source of all water soluble vitamins except option A cyanocobalamin, B riboflavin, C ascorbic acid, D thiamine. Option C ascorbic acid അല്ലെങ്കിൽ vitamin C. Fifth question, number of amino acids are commonly found in milk proteins including the essential amino acids. Option A 7, B 12, C 14, D 19. Answer is 19. Thank you.